to go to Lyari, but here I am, FIFA, having fun with the girls.
हमारी चोरियां चोरों से कम है के?
Well, this is the Lyari you usually don't see on TV or screen or anywhere else. Today I decided to come here to learn a little bit of some moves with the girls, and we're gonna kick it now with them. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go now. Today I'm in Lyari enjoying this pitch. I played a little bit myself, but that's very interesting to see what's behind the scenes. And today I'm talking to Anas, who is the coach for the girls. So Anas, lovely work, lovely stuff. So tell us how is it actually coaching girls feels like here?
देखें शुरू में तो जब हम यहाँ पे आते थे तो हमें बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल फील होता था, लेकिन अब जब सर उन्नैन ने मतलब एक साल पहले हमसे मतलब कहा कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँगा जहाँ पे लड़के लड़कियाँ सब मतलब साथ में होंगे, काफ़ी सिक्योर फील होगा ना.
Well, that's pretty cool. I mean, but I have a better idea. Why don't you teach me some moves and then we're gonna do probably as professional as these girls.
तो फुटबॉल की जो फर्स्ट जो चीज़ होती है ना, एक होती है शूलेस, एक होता है इनपुट, एक होता है आउटपुट. फुटबॉल इसके बगैर नहीं खेला जाता. ये तीन चीज़ें फुटबॉल में बहुत मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. ये चीज़ें इनके बगैर फुटबॉल नहीं खेला जाता. सबसे पहले तो फुटबॉल को कैसे ले जाते हैं ये आपको मतलब सीखना होगा. फुटबॉल को ले जाते हैं शूलेस से. देखो ये इससे फुटबॉल आगे टच होता है तो फुटबॉल को यूं ले जाते हैं. Like that.
Okay, that's my first move. Okay, let me do. Like 4 of them?
4.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay.
I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.
फुटबॉल में बहुत सारे किस्म के आप टर्न कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो सबसे बेसिक टर्न होता है वो होता है आप शूलेस से टर्न करना. 1, 2, 3, 4, then turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, then turn.
How do you do that? That kick.
सबसे पहले तो आपको पाँव के बीच में फंसाना है. इसके बाद इसको बॉडी से दूर रखना है.
Okay.
ठीक है ना. इसके बाद देन आप कर सकते हो ये.
Wow.
Oh, very good.
No, I'm not getting there.
Better.
Okay, this is done. Now we're moving to the next location, probably for boxing. Let's go.
Tape on my hands, step in the ring, crowd hold breath, hear the bell sing, eyes on the prize, jaw like stone. I came for the crown, I came alone. One more round, then I move, left hand snap, make them lose. Hold that stare, don't blink now. This is the night, I take it now.
So I'm coming from back.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh. Now this. Yeah. Oh. Body shot and 9. Oh.
Okay, well, thanks first of all for the coaching. I'm sweating a lot. I just wondered, what's the story behind the scene? Like,
we start our boxing club with a single girl, which name is Tereen.
Tereen.
Right now, she is a national player.
Oh wow! Well, congrats on that and respect for that, because I think it takes a lot to be the first. It takes a lot to be, someone who starts things and to get to the, national championship. So how does it make you feel?
जब मैं खेलती हूँ रिंग में तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ और मैं आगे जाके चाहती हूँ कि मैं पाकिस्तान को नेशनल मतलब पे परफॉर्म कर सकूँ, खेल सकूँ आगे जाके.
Do you guys train all together? Like you have friends?
Yeah, we do together.
Girls and boys also.
Okay,
We
fine.
make this space for happy and safe space. That's why the girl feeling very safe.
They look very happy.
Yeah, we feel
And
very
very-
safe here. We don't feel like anything. We are like a family,
Yeah.
like brother, sister, and our coaches are like father.
I think that's important, like that you have this relationship, like
In
the
team, we should include our teamwork
yeah.
because without teamwork, we don't play.
That's pretty cool. And how many times do you do it in a day? In a week, or something?
The boxing club going whole week in the afternoon, 4 to 6.
Yeah.
In the afternoon, we have a 2-hour classes for boys and girls collectively working. This is a community space.
Yeah.
Everything is going on.
That's important.
Sports. The most important thing, children will come here only for the sports. We open sports. That's why many of children taking interest in this school.
Okay.
If we can, like, tomorrow we have an admission. So people take a line from the last night.
Oh, really? So it's very famous in Lyari here.
Lyari people, only sportsmen.
So right now we're sitting here in the main pitch in Lyari. If you haven't been here, you missed a lot.
Boots on the turf, I'm locked in. Mud on my socks, still top 10. Crowd in the stands, they all lean. One touch, one look, all green. Run that lane, I cut in, shot on the turn. No bluff.
Oh, you're showing me what to do. Okay, let's go. Cello.
Chane,
Chene.
yes,
Yas.
Kira.
Tira. Timur. Tamar. Masala. Masala kamratna. Okay. Don't make me try it because I will burn my voice.
Just take one bite.
Okay. Done. So I'm eating like this? Like from this? Okay. Interesting. Is it very spicy? Merhabani. Okay, so what's next?
All right, so now we're gonna go to one of the places where it's paying an homage to the Brazilian team. So let's head out.
Cello.
Let's go.
हम ब्राज़ील के पेन है माशाल्लाह ब्राज़ील के चाहने वाला लियारी में बहुत है बाकी हम लोग कोई गुस्सा मुस्सा टीम को नहीं मानता हम लोग ब्राज़ील अब्बा वाला है मेहमान अब्बा लियारी का कोई लाइव पेश करता है ब्राज़ील अब्बा जब तक ब्राज़ील अब्बा है हम लोग है लियारी को इसके चाहने वाला बहुत है मेहमान अब्बा सुन रहा है ना बलोच कितने तेरे पेन है आई लाइक यू माय वेरी बेस्ट हाउ आर यू माय जेआर अब्बा सही है ना लियारी वाले पुल कड़क के माशाल्लाह परेशान नहीं हो जाओ लियारी में पैसे डॉलर सब है हम लोग को कुछ नहीं चाहिए 250 भी नहीं चाहिए वेरी बेस्ट आई लाइक यू
Okay, so Fuad, this is so crazy how much energy this place has. Like since we came here, like the kids and everyone is like on a totally different level from what I expected. What about you?
I mean, dude, it's Lil Brazil for a reason. I mean, everyone's, you know, in their jerseys and, you know, they're sporting their home team. So, you know, it's something that's surreal that, you know, even some, you know, in a place like this, you can get, you know, the football spirit anywhere.
We can get, and we're getting it actually. Look at all the Messis there, Argentina, all of these. Like, this is so much different in the real life from what I've expected. And I'm so happy that we came here because, like, you know, people were like, Lyari is a very intense Brazil. And it's more than we actually were expecting, right, kids?
Yeah.
Is it right?
Kids, is she right?
Is it like,
Yes.
is it
Yes.
Okay, I think we still can continue to see all the flags. Like, look, they have. What's the flag now?
Huh? Which
What's
flag?
the flag there?
That's Romania.
That's Romania. Oh,
That's
yeah,
Romania.
That's Romania. There's a lot of Brazil,
I told you that everyone's wearing a Brazil kit, dude.
Public. Shall we go through it? There's a guy doing really crazy tricks. Like everyone has such a crazy energy. And the kids are just all about football. Like, all about, so I feel like it is just a vibe. It is just a vibe. Actually, the best. They even have. Look, they even have the Dutch.
Yeah.
Veen goeden van oranje. Whatever that means in Dutch. Something with the orange. We something with orange. I don't speak so much.
I mean, it just shows that, you know, how football is, you know, integrating of all, you know, societies and, you know, how everyone can enjoy it. It's a simple game. You just need your feet and you're good to go.
Right. I want to see the flags. If you can, berro. Berrindo.
Vámonos!
Vamos.
Vamos! Cheers.
Cello. Okay, well, guys, now we're standing here with Didak, Aisha, and the little girl I forgot the name of, but I want to ask you some questions, and it all goes to you.
Thank you.
How is this wall art actually getting done? What's the story behind the ball?
I was not here. Because I'm not allowed to come at these places because my mother and father don't allow me to roam here and there.
Okay, don't worry. And like, we have a lot of flags.
But many people are there who know the history of this. You can ask them also.
Okay, I'll ask the people of this history. But look, Didak, back to you. Like, don't you think it's amazing? We have like so many flags. We have
It's amazing.
Your favorite Portugal?
No, Argentina favorite. Argentina is my favorite.
Argentina, you're standing right there. You're
This
standing
place is
there.
right now breathtaking.
Okay, that's really breathtaking. Like, look
Yes.
at so many people. Like, guys, what's what you do every day? You play football too?
Yeah. I love to play football. It's my hobby. It's my passion.
Okay, and how is your everyday looking like? Like now when FIFA is, where is the real deal?
Yes. So I'm only watching the matches of Argentina.
Really? Only
Yes.
Argentina?
Yeah.
Argentina. High five for that, for Argentina.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Girls, throw it back to me. Okay, so we need probably a little bit more. I don't know. I could play basketball. I cannot even play football. Wait, can I do it? I can't do that. Okay, guys, look at me. We're sitting here chilling with girls. It's amazing reception. I'm so happy we met those beautiful little girls and everything and guys playing, and it's just so vibrant. The energy is off the hook. It's more than Brazil. It's maybe the same as Brazil. It's a mini Brazil and so much more. I have not many words to actually describe how I feel because it's still in processing in my head. It's still bursting. The energy is everywhere. Everyone is high on football. Even the girls, even the mini girls, right? So this is Lyari. Super welcome, super happy, super amazed. I don't want to go anywhere.